Good morning, everyone. I had a good 10 hours sleep. I feel like a new person, even though my nose is running a bit now, just annoying. But Barcelona is warm. So nice, because in Granada it was super warm in the sun, but the minute there is no sun, it got really, really cold. Not really, really cold, but relatively cold. And here it's like in the morning, not even 10 a.m. It's like 17, 18 degrees, even in the shadow. I mean, I'm walking with my cute little new jeans dress. Just eating my too good to go from last night. I have way more. I have a full pack full. Even if you don't believe in astrology at all, maybe this is something for you. Today is the 30th of April and it's a new moon and solar eclipse, which is apparently something special. Like everything in astrology always is something that only happens every 1000 years or so. I'm still not sure if I believe in all that, but I made it a habit to have full moon and new moon rituals, because usually a new moon is meant to manifest new stuff, and your full moon usually is to like really let go. Every month they are kind of under a different focus. So for example, now it's a lot about relationships, since it is connected with Venus, and that means relationship to yourself, but also the relationship to others. What is no longer good for you, that was like the theme in the full moon. What's no longer good for you, what's not serving you anymore, what kind of habits, like also the relationship, for example, to, it was just a mouse, the relationship to money, to food, to whatever. And even though you don't believe in all that, or you do maybe, I don't know, I love that you like every 2 weeks sit down and reflect. One time you reflect what is no longer good for you, what's not serving you, what is frustrating you, what you need to let go of, and just consciously sit down and write down what you let go of. And just really writing it down has so much power, instead of just like, oh yeah, I need to get rid of this or this, but actually like writing down what you want to get rid of, create action steps out of it, and really see what you want to let go of. And then take, in the next 2 weeks, sit down again for the other ones. Think about what you let go of. Did it all work? Why didn't it work? What can you like do to make it work? And then think about what you want to achieve in the next 2 weeks, in the next month, and sometimes also in the next 6 months. And this has not necessarily something to do with being spiritual. It's just being conscious about what is good and what is bad for you, what you want to let go of, and what you want to attract in your life. So just a little bit of practical astrology, even if you're not believing in that. And I'm also using this time here to really reflect on my time in Granada. I feel like there is still a lot going on internally that hasn't come to the surface yet. And I feel really exhausted all the time. Like even like back in Granada, I had the same. Like I was constantly tired. And I'm still tired, even though I have a reason with like the traveling and stuff again. But yeah, I just try to create when I go to Italy. Like I want to be done with the old stuff, so I'm trying to like dig deeper, see what's hidden behind the surface, deal with it, maybe heal it, or at least release it in a way. So I'm really lightweight, open again for this new chapter, so I can like have daily routines that are not frustrating me, that I'm really like, that are empowering, that nurture me, and just give me a good feeling to like get into the day, because I'm really sensitive, I never know what the word for it is, to other people around me. So if there's somebody having good vibes around me, it's a good thing because I get really like engaged with that. But if there's somebody having a bad day or a problem, I really feel that myself. So, and also with like huge crowds of people, especially when they're like in different stages, that's confusing for my system in a way. So I try to avoid that until I like have clarity, especially in times like this when I'm a bit lost because I don't know really what's to come, like how my new life's gonna be like or my next chapter, and I'm in this transitioning phase of saying goodbye. So yeah, that's what Barcelona is about this time. It's probably not gonna be a party time, also because I don't have money anymore. But anyways, so I'm gonna eat my salad now, and I'm probably not supposed to do that here, but to be honest, I'm still in the process of distancing myself from people. I think I just spent so much time with people in the last month. I feel like just wanting to be alone, eat alone, watch videos alone, work on myself, just not be with people so much at the moment. And then I'm gonna watch a money mindset workshop, which I postponed for weeks, but I think it's about time because my money mindset is really bad and I want to change that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Quick change of outfit. Sitting here in my higher self version, that's mandatory for the workshop to feel like an absolute queen. It's a new day in Barcelona, and yesterday I did this workshop and it was great. It was hard though because it dealt a lot with money mindset, especially the ones that you have to work on probably because it's a lot of limiting beliefs as well. But now I know what I have to work on, so I can heal myself and hopefully become super rich and do a lot of good things with that. That's the plan. And now, guess what? Another Too Good To Go pickup is waiting for me. This morning I did not much besides editing my first video after this long break, and it takes ages to export, but I'm excited because I want to upload it today, so to get this YouTube journey started again. So today is a really interesting day. I haven't been outside much except for getting my Too Good To Go this morning, and now I'm about to get another one. I'm so bad. I feel a little bit ungrateful for not exploring Barcelona a bit more and using the good weather because it's been amazing today. I was just inside, but I had to finish my video, which I forgot what a nightmare editing videos can be. Like exporting them took way longer. I had to do it several times. Now cars, the upload speed of the hostel is not good at all. So the uploading is already there like 4 hours and we are at 55%. Love it. Spontaneous uploads work really, really good. Forgot about that. And then I had my very first human design reading. Like I gave it. If you haven't heard anything about human design yet, let me know. I can give you more info, but be aware that there's definitely something coming because, yeah, I plan to make this a business. So I'm just in the last steps of practicing. And maybe by the time this video goes live, I already know more. So stay tuned. I'm so excited. food. And I also feel like I'm still not ready to be back with people. So I don't know if I even go out in Barcelona once. But it's fine. I feel like every time I have such a long period of being with people, I need to find my balance by doing the extreme other things. So actually being completely by myself, and I really feel so much better. I feel like I have a lot more energy and joy in my life again after being by myself and working on my own projects for the last few days. So it's working. So I hope by the time I leave Spain, I'm fully recovered and have a fresh start. Great. Finally, the video is uploaded. I'm not gonna publish it tonight. I'm gonna like sit down tomorrow, think about the thumbnail, check the description and stuff like that again. But oh my god, I forgot completely how long it takes. So just keeping the cost low. And also I started to track my expenses again because I just stopped at some point. I just stopped and I don't know why. I think I was too afraid that I'm just broke anyways. But yeah, so I'm gonna start tracking my expenses again, so I'm not wondering where all my precious money went. After feeling really tired all day long, kind of, even though I did a lot and a lot happened, I just had a really inspiring, motivating, creative boost and wrote down a lot of ideas, also connected to how my vlog's gonna be in the future, how everything's gonna be. So I'm excited for that, but I'm gonna share that probably when I'm in Rome, because now I'm super tired, and tomorrow with the flight and everything I'm gonna be freaked out maybe. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you about like all that really soon. In the end it was almost a bit hectic because my checkout was 11 and I checked out exactly at 11. But yeah, I'm always getting super nervous before flights. So, just checked out, ready, packed with all my stuff. So I just safely landed in Rome, Fiumicino Airport. It's actually the first time I landed in Rome, always with the train. The next time we're gonna talk about how I'm gonna set up my goals and my morning routine, build up a routine that is location independent. So if you're interested in that, and for whatever happens in Rome and Italy, stay tuned. And I think we're gonna end this vlog right here. Until next time, stay tuned, stay curious, and stay creative, my friends. Bye.